Hey miners, today we're going to be checking out the ultrasonic cleaner, but before we get into the video, here's an ad from our sponsor.
Due to the crypto market correction, GPU prices are going down. It's a great opportunity to expand, which is why Octominer is having a sale. They manufacture the best mining rigs in the industry and supply rigs to some of the largest GPU mining farms around the world. On average, they manufacture 2,000 to 4,000 rigs per month, and currently around 2% of the total Ethereum net hash rate is running in Octominer rigs. They are also an official AMD blockchain partner. Starting July 25th and going through July 29th, use the code OCTO10-072922 on checkout to get 10% off your entire order on their website. Please reach out to them at support@octominer.com for any questions.
Alright guys, so I have an ultrasonic cleaner here with me, and I recently got this, so I wanted to do some projects. I am going to be using a test card here. It is broken, but I'm pretty sure that this isn't going to be fixed by the ultrasonic cleaner, but I figured this would be a good video to show you guys how the ultrasonic cleaner works. I will then also follow up with a how-to video for the ultrasonic cleaner as well. Alright, I'm using more of an overhead view for this, so like I said, this isn't going to be a how-to, but I am going to get this thing started up. Now, you do have to warm up the ultrasonic cleaner with the fluid in it. It doesn't preheat, so let me get the fluid in here, and I will, and then we're going to be using a broken 5700 XT that I got from another YouTuber named Big Irish Crypto. If you guys haven't heard about Big Irish, go check him out. Link will be down in the video in the description. So first we need to get our fluid in here. Now I've already pre-mixed this fluid, okay, and this is a special fluid formulated for electronics, and please do not use Windex. Now the reason it's in this water jug is because I've already tested this before, and you can reuse the fluid as long as it doesn't get dirty. So I just wanted to put the fluid in this jug just so that I could reuse it, because I moved this out to my garage, and sorry about the mess in the garage. I've had a lot of projects lately and the garage has gotten pretty neglected. It's on my long list of to-dos out here. I've been doing lots of projects outside and stuff's just been getting piled in here. You know how it goes. Let's go ahead. We're going to put this lid, we're going to put this back on, and then we're going to turn on our ultrasonic cleaner. You'll hear a beep, and then I need to set the C for this. I need to set the temperature. I'm letting you hear this just for right now. I will then mute it, but this is what the ultrasonic cleaner sounds like, so I'll be back in 30 minutes after this thing's warmed up. So you've seen me moving the card, and you can see it's getting pretty murky, right? So it's been cleaning stuff. This is a pretty mined-on card. I clean it off okay, but I probably, looking at this fluid here, I probably should have cleaned it a little bit better, because I've cleaned probably like 4 or 5 cards in here just to test this and see how it works. So the reason that, so how these ultrasonic cleaners work is essentially dirt and oil will get underneath these chips, right? From, you know how like when the GPU, the pads, they leak all that oil everywhere and they start leaking all over the place. Well, what happens is the dirt from the coolers, right, with the oil, sometimes it can get trapped underneath the chips. And what will happen is it will start creating like artifacting, and or it may even it might even short something out on the board itself. So sometimes it's not even a guaranteed thing. You can use ultrasonic cleaners to kind of bring cards back to life. Now this card has been mined on. I did receive this card, like I said, from Big Irish Crypto, and he wanted to see if I could fix it. From what I know, this is not fixable. It's completely dead, but I'm just using it for demonstration purposes. This is a method that you can use, though, if you use it on a regular basis to actually clean your graphics cards. If you do this like every other month, this should keep your cards clean. Now, you do not use Windex. Do not put the card in whole. I will be doing a tutorial video on the ultrasonic cleaner, as well as going over some of its features. I just wanted to do a video to show you guys that it can clean, because I mean, look how dirty this fluid is. It was not this dirty when I first started. So it is definitely cleaned quite a bit of junk out of this thing. Who knows? Maybe it brought it back to life. We don't know. I will try to get it going. But do know, though, when you do use this particular ultrasonic cleaner with this particular solution, it is designed for electronics. You do have to mix it with distilled water. You will also need rubbing alcohol. You have to rinse the card off completely in alcohol, almost like submerge it, just to protect all the components. At least that's what I've been told. So, all right, guys, I wanted to show you this video because I thought it was really, really cool to use a product like this. I think getting a bigger one, they do sell some that are twice as wide. That way you could fit chewed GPUs in there. I think this will be really nice for bigger farms. That way they can clean their graphics cards really fast. But like I said, you must tear it down to the PCB. You cannot use this hole in here or put it in with the entire heatsink and cooler and fans. You need to tear it down to the PCB. So this is essentially the correct way you guys should be doing it. Also, be sure to be on for Saturday, because we will be doing a live stream on Saturday. The time that we're going for is going to be 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. We have a few sponsors. There's been another sponsor added to the giveaway. So it'll be Octominer, GPU Risers, and the Veteran Miner, who does custom cables. So really excited to have Veteran Miner part of the 2K subs, as well as he's also another content creator. So be sure to go check out his channel. I'll leave a link down below, as well as I'll leave a link for Big Irish Crypto. He is also another new and upcoming YouTuber, so be sure to check him out as well. Now, I will do another follow-up video probably next week, going over some of the features and some of the things that you'll need to use with your ultrasonic cleaner, because we're getting kind of into maintenance mode here, right? You know, things are starting to wind down a little bit. Some people are, you know, turning rigs off. Some people are selling cards. Some people are, you know, doing all kinds of things. So this is a good maintenance time. So I thought this would be a really cool thing to show you guys. I will in the next video, I'll show you how much I paid for everything you'll need, how to use it, how to set it up, and all of that. Okay, so this is the Mining King giving you the most hashes, and I'll see you next time.